greetings. You welcome again to Fives for You. Today we want to look at how to claim free Pepe and other gifts from gate.io. First of all, if you are new on this channel, I'll advise you subscribe so that you get updated anytime we load a new video. Without wasting much time, let's get into this important video. So first of all, you have to download the Gate app. If you don't have an account, you can check a link in the comment section and use it to create an account and receive a welcome bonus. That's a referral link. So you, after logging in and registering, you open the app. So this is a platform. After opening the app, you click at the icon at the top left corner. Then you see candy drop, trade file, and all that. So you just click on rewards. Okay, click on rewards. If you already have an account, you just have to go into the app, click on rewards. When you click on rewards, you see check-in. So you click on check-in, right? You have to click on check-in. There are a lot of rewards here for you, so you have to check in. Check-in will give you a number of points. But I am an affiliate now, so I'm not having access to those rewards anymore. But for you, a user who have not applied for the affiliate program, you can do this. So I'm just going to use my account as an example. So when you click on check-in, it will allow you to check in, and you can check in every day. And every day that you check in helps you to accumulate rewards. So for example, a check-in here will give you a number of points, and also a certain number of deposits. For here, let's say net deposit tax. So if you are able to complete that tax, you get the reward, which is 100 points. It's a daily spot trading. If you do spot trading, you're going to get 50 points. And there are more rewards. Okay, there are more rewards that you can do. You can do a lot of things. There are things that you are doing already if you're a platform user, and if you are new and you use our referral link, there are things that you can do here that will grant you these points. Now, what is the essence of all these points? Now, these points you can use it to play draw. You can also redeem. For example, this 100 coin can help you redeem $1 futures fee rebate. Okay, that's a voucher, and then you can redeem more and more of vouchers on this platform. As you can see, there are lots of vouchers you can redeem here, and aside that, you can also play the draw game, which I played earlier before I became an affiliate. So you just click on draw. You need 20 or more points to enter the draw game. So as you can see, we have position voucher, we have token voucher, we have we have 1,000 USD position voucher, we have 1 million Pepe token voucher, we have position voucher for USDT, that's 100 USDT, then we have 2 USDT, we have 2 USDT spots, then we have 2 USDT futures, then we have 5 credit. So we have a couple of them. So when you click on draw, as I'm about to do, whatever it landed on, that is what you want. So I'm clicking on draw. I just hope they will allow me to I want 1,000 Pepe. Ooh. Okay, I didn't go what I actually wanted, but that's cool. I've won. As you can see, I've won. So congrats, you've won 1,000 Pepe token voucher. And this is not something you use to trade. This is sports. So we're going to my sports right now, and you check it is there. So I can complete tasks and earn more. but since I'm an affiliate, I'm not I'm not sure I'm going to receive rewards for other taxes that I do. But as a user of this platform, you can just every day log in, just click on this rewards. You trade, if you are a trader, if you are a holder, if you do converts, or you are a P2P trader, any kind of trading, any kind of activity you do on the platform will generate you points, and these points in turn can help you get these vouchers. You understand? And this is very useful for those of us who trade futures and sports and all that. You see, as you can see, the affiliates cannot participate in this startup or claim rewards. This is happening because I am now an affiliate, and this is one of the reasons why you have to use a link to register on the platform. So let's go and see if the sport I've gotten is being reflected on my account. Let's see, I've gotten 1000 Pepe. So let's see whether it's there. Let's see whether it's here. Previously, I've claimed some before becoming an affiliate. So let's just see how it works. Okay. Today, as I'm doing this video, today is 4th. Okay, it has not reflected. The last one was on the 24th of March, and now we are in April. Today is April 4th, and these are the ones that I've redeemed previously. As you can see, 1,000 pp, 1,000 pp, 1,000 pp, and a lot of hits. And if you accumulated a lot of points, you'll be able to win a lot of tokens. You might even able to win 1 million Pepe, and that's about last time I checked the rates, that's about 3.5 USDT, and that's something that can help, when you are a holder. You understand? So this is a free way to claim Pepe and other benefits on the Gate platform. I'll end the video here. Do subscribe to our channel for more updates, and also use our link to register for an amazing welcome bonus. This Pepe, you can actually send it to someone, you can transfer it to someone. So yeah, it's actually a nice program that Gate came out with, and I believe you should participate in it. So this is our referral link. I'll post our affiliate link in the comment section, so, or in the description, so that you can grab it and make good use of it. Thank you all for watching, and have the best of your crypto experience on Gate OI. Bye. See you next time.